have come under sharp criticism and online ridicule after a video from Ghaziabad went viral after showcasing certain policemen allegedly trying to scan a man's back to determine his citizenship. Now in this video, inspector there, who is said to be in charge of the Kaushambi police station, seems to be using his mobile phone like a device, placing it on the man's back to verify his citizenship. The officer claims that his device could identify the person's nationality and is heard saying that the machine is showing that the man is identified as a Bangladeshi. Now, the man being checked, however, insists that he is a resident of Bihar, Araria district, and despite this, the officer maintains that the device indicates otherwise. Social media users were questioning the conduct of the police and raising doubts over whether any such technology does exist in determining the citizenship in this manner. However, this video has been garnering a lot of criticism.
We're currently in Kaushambi. This is the video that is going viral from the Kaushambi district in Ghaziabad, which shows the SHO asking people in a basti if they are from Bangladesh. In fact, he also then questions them if they are indeed certain that they're not Bangladeshis and if they actually belong to India. And he also then suggests that if you're lying, there is a machine that I can put on the back to ensure that you are speaking the truth. That has led to a political row as well now, with TMC MP now tweeting against it, asking what is this high-tech technology. The Ghaziabad police has also now tweeted a response and stating that this is a routine exercise that takes place, but they are getting a lot of criticism over this particular exercise and these questions that the SHO and the team there was asking.
Meanwhile, the Ghaziabad police sources have issued a clarification, and according to the police, these are psychological methods and not scientific truth extraction or verification techniques that were used. Sources have stated that these methods are only part of a routine interrogation practices based on questioning patterns and observation and interaction with the individuals there. Police maintain that there is no scientific or technological device that is used to determine facts such as citizenship, or the methods shown should not be interpreted as a conclusive or technical verification tool. Now, Times Now has tracked down as far as Roshni Khatun, who is said to be a woman seen in that video with the Ghaziabad police going viral. And speaking to Times Now, she says that the incident has now left her deeply embarrassed and ashamed. She says that it is hurtful when people in uniform mock them over their religion. Appealing directly to the UP Chief Minister, she says that she wants action for families like hers who have been living in shanties for years now and are undeniably when it comes to citizens of the same country.
बुरा सा तो लग रहा है कि हमारे साथ इतना वायरल हो गया, ये सब वीडियो समझ में ही नहीं आ रही है। वो तो पुलिस वाले ऐसे थे कि मजाक, मुझे तो ऐसी लग रही थी कि मजाक पे ही बोले हैं वो। हम तो अब योगी जी से एक ही गुजारिश करेंगे कि हम जुग्गी से हम भी परेशान हो गए, हमारे पास कुछ ना खाने पीने का, कमाते हैं वही रहते हैं वही सोते हैं, हमें भी कुछ चीज का सुविधा मिले। बुरा तो लगा था पर क्या कर सकते हैं इस चीज के लिए, पर वो अच्छे थे, एक तरफ से मुझे तो अच्छे लगे वो कि ज्यादा जोर जबरदस्ती करे नहीं थे। इंडिया में रह के हम दूसरे को सुनते हम बांग्लादेश से, तो इतनी ज्यादा बुरा लगता है कि क्या अपने इंडिया में रह के हमें यहीं पे थू जब सब जगह हो रहे हैं मीडिया में कि गरीब तो है ही, ऊपर से हमें और जलील कर रहे हैं।
Well, Priyank, the locals there, they've taken offense to such kind of police questioning and interrogation on the method, in fact, that they chose to question them, saying that this is like, rubbing salt on their wounds.
Yes, certainly, Amta, that's the alarming aspect, because we know that these people are from the marginalized society, but they do have access to the internet, and this lady was certainly shocked to see that the way she and her family members have been mocked on the social media platform. The irony is that they are Indians, but the manner in which they have been discredited and they are being mocked by an officer on duty is certainly very shocking. We have spoken to the senior officials, and they have also released a statement where stern warnings have been issued on the behalf of the district level officers for this particular officer, who is an inspector of the Kaushambi police station, to not again use this kind of language against any kind of individual. Basically, this is like a displeasure notice which will be issued against him. But overall, if you see the manner in which the UP cops have been brazenly recording these these kind of instances on mobile phone and then circulating it to boost up their act is a very alarming thing for which the UP police need to act on.
Well,
we saw that the man in this, they
charges
did
now
the
being leveled as far as the opposition also has picked up on this video that seems to have been going viral there and questioning when it comes to what could be the intent possibly behind this police action. Thank you very much for the moment, Priyank, for joining in with those details. Let's in the